Hi, my name is John Kelly. I'm a truck accident attorney. I'm based out of Phoenix, Arizona, but I actually handle cases throughout the nation. If you've been injured in a semi-auto accident or a commercial vehicle has caused an accident and you've been injured severely, this is something that I specialize in and I know a lot about so that I can help you recover as much as you can for this case. Something that makes trucking accident cases unique is that they're very complex and they're typically backed by corporations or defended. The truck driver is going to be working for a company that will hire for their defense a law firm that's going to aggressively defend these kind of cases. Their job is to make sure they're minimizing their liability or their fault, and they're minimizing how much they're going to pay out in the case. Now, the flip side of that is, although you have people aggressively defending these cases, you also have commercial policies. And what that means is their insurance policies have much higher limits of what you can recover. So when a typical auto accident, you may only have a policy limit of $25,000 or $50,000 or $100,000. But when we start talking about semi-trucks and the corporations and their insurance policies, you start looking at $1 million policies or $5 million policies or more. So that makes unique circumstances where you can request more money based on your injuries. If your injuries are justifying that amount, you absolutely will be able to recover that amount if you have the things in place to do so. So what are some of the things that you can do to make sure you have the things in place to make this recovery? I would look at making sure you have a law firm that has experience with handling trucking accidents. The truth of the matter is a lot of law firms are not really set up to handle this type of case. You need a specific type of attorney that has the paralegals, that are litigation paralegals that know how to file the lawsuit and have that experience. You have to have investigators who know how to track down witnesses, get additional information from what the police did at the scene. You have to have experts, and the experts can include things like going to the scene to do scans of the intersection and make an accident reconstruction. Or the experts might be someone that can really articulate what your injuries are, and they're a doctor that actually understands the extent of your injuries. If there's something like traumatic brain injury, maybe it's a neuropsych doctor or someone that actually has that specialty. So when you have a law firm that you can trust is going to put together a team, go where they need to, and make sure that we're actually putting forth our best effort to go after the defense who is going to be aggressively defending it, you put yourself in the best situation to recover fully. The other thing to keep in mind is that oftentimes there's products liability cases if a tire exploded or an airbag failed to go off. So there's things that are other outside issues, if there's construction zones, that can tie into multiple different defendants. So if I have the trucking company and the driver as one defendant, I might have the manufacturer of the tire as another defendant. And it could be in a different state. Maybe the manufacturer is out of Michigan and the accident happened in Arizona, but the company is a California company. As you can see, these are complex cases, and you need to have a team of lawyers that knows how to work with other lawyers in different states and make sure that you're putting together the right team to be able to move forward and actually have a chance of fighting the company that is trying to defend the case. If you have an auto accident that involved a commercial vehicle and you've been injured, please feel free to reach out to us to see if we're the right fit. We'd love to take a look at your case, sit down with you, talk over the facts and circumstances, and see if we can help you through this difficult situation. You can give us a call at Kelly Law Team, 602-283-4122.